In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workload in Asana. If you've ever wondered how to see who's at capacity and who has room to help, Asana's workload view gives you a clear visual picture so you can make smarter decisions and avoid burnout. First, open workload. You'll find the workload tab inside either a portfolio or a project. In a portfolio, you'll see people's assignments across multiple projects, which is great for leaders managing many streams of work. In a single project, you'll focus just on that team's tasks. Either way, the Workload tab lays out your team members as rows and maps their tasks across the calendar so you can instantly scan where things might be too heavy or too light. Next, set capacity. Click a person's name to define their weekly limit, like 40 hours or whatever unit your team uses. This tells Asana how much that person can realistically take on in a typical week. Keep your units consistent across the team. If you use hours, stick with hours everywhere. If you estimate in points, use points for everyone. Capacity isn't just a number, it's your guardrail. Setting it thoughtfully helps you see when someone is over-allocated before it becomes a problem. You can adjust these limits as team members take on new responsibilities or during busy seasons, so your plan always reflects reality. Finally, add effort. For each task, enter a value in the estimated effort field. This is where you tell Asana how much work a task represents. The more accurate your estimates, the more accurate your workload picture will be. Think about typical task patterns. Some items take a concentrated day, others spread across the week. Estimated effort captures that weight, and Asana rolls it up against each person's capacity so you can immediately spot when someone's bar turns heavy. If your team varies between hours and points, pick one and apply it consistently so totals make sense at a glance. As you review the workload timeline, look for imbalances. Bars that exceed a person's capacity signal risk, deadlines can slip and quality can suffer. Bars that sit well below capacity show opportunity. That's where you can redistribute work to keep momentum. Consistency is key. Use similar estimating assumptions across tasks and keep capacities aligned with actual availability so your view remains trustworthy over time. With workload open, capacity set, and effort entered, you have everything you need to manage assignments confidently, prevent overwork, and ensure projects stay on track. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to use Asana's workload to plan smarter every week.